From the title, this is a wheel unboxing of the F1R F21s, and it comes in a real nice package. I got these in the mail not too long ago, a few days ago. I got all four, but I just wanted to go ahead and do an unboxing of this, and we're still making progress with doing carbon fiber stuff. Right now I'm just casting and doing molds because it's kind of cold here where I am. And I kind of can't do this outside in the shed with carbon fiber because the epoxy won't dry. So a little progress on that, but not too much. That's coming up when it gets warmer. So anyway, let's get back to this unboxing vid. As you can see, I got some real meaty tires for it. Sorry, it's a little dark in here. Pull one of these out. There goes one over there. But you can see, yeah, really beefy tires. I'm wondering if I should tire bomb those, but anywho, so here we go. It's got the disclaimer note in there, and sorry, I'm working with one hand, so and here's this. It's packaged real nice. Comes in a plastic bag, and there they are, finally here, and these are for the Monte Carlo. I do have an Instagram, and I put pictures up of that. I also have a blog, and I'll put a link to that below. But so let's get this off. Comes with a plastic container, lip, and let me pull these out. Just give me a sec. Kind of hard to do with one hand. Yeah, there they are, guys. I mean, this just ought to be awesome. Just very nice. Really happy with these wheels. It does come with a center cap. So yeah. So that's what you get. So good job, guys, at F1R, and I bought these on eBay from Aspire Motoring, and they're for Chevy pattern. It's hard to find wheels for Chevy, the 5X by 120. So, and it's for 5X by 114. So, oh yeah, and we'll show more progress on the Monte Carlo and some other stuff pretty soon. So, thanks for watching, and until next time, guys.